Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today what I got is the new Disco Parrot Disco case. So let's take a look what the inside looks like. But overall, this case are really nice material. They build it really nice. I really like it. You can see there's a lot of cushion here for your back. Very nice. So they actually have slot here for putting extra cable and such here as well. But I like the material. It's kind of semi-soft case, so it's not a hard case as you can see here, but it's a very sturdy material, very kind of semi-hard shell. So let's see what's in here. Open it up, you can see here there's some pocket here where you can store extra cable, USB or whatever you want to put in there. It's a really nice layout. Very nice strap here. Open it up. A little pouch here where you can store extra whatever you need to do, tools or anything like that from that point. But it's all has, as you can see here, it's all molded, fitting everything here. So basically I want to show you how I'm going to fit my disco in here, see how it goes. So this is like the battery compartment here, right in there, and this little slot here to fit in that little pouch where you can store extra stuff underneath the disco. So let's see how that goes.